Hello guys, welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Have you wanted to switch camera angles easily on CapCut? This is very easy. This is a multi-camera clip CapCut tutorial and it's a full guide. And guess what? I will teach you the manual and the automatic methods. So to be able to use the automatic method, just make sure that you have CapCut updated on your PC and you are good to go. Now you have shot your scene from two different angles. Let's say I was talking like this and just shot it from a side view and also from the front view. And you would like to create a very smooth professional edit that feels actually dynamic and not confusing. Just open CapCut. And inside here, you will just click on create new project and you'll be brought in here where we just need to now bring in the videos or the videos that you would like or images with the different angle shots. You can do so by clicking on import, browse through your file explorer and bring them inside here. I will start with the manual way of doing the multi-camera editing. This method is just perfect if you are working with CapCut on your phone especially, or you just prefer some different controls. Once you have your media loaded inside here, just drag them to the timeline here. You can start with the main camera on track 1 and then do that for second camera to track 2. And if you have more than even 3, you can just drag them inside here as well. So I'm just going to use these videos I downloaded. Yeah, you'll do the same steps with your videos as well. Now just make sure that the clips are synced. Now once that's done, use now the split tool here to cut the clips and decide where to switch angles. Let's say I want to switch, let's say the camera 1 will be starting up to this second, and now I want to switch to clip 2. So I'll just make sure that we don't have all these clips, all these track 2 and 3 at the first frame, at the first seconds of the video. And then in here is when now I'll just bring in the clip 2. And I'll also make sure that I don't have this track 3 on this part because it's not in use. So I'll cut it off like that, or just move it, drag it like this by just left clicking and dragging. And now once I'm done, I can bring back the track 1 by doing that, by cutting it here by just clicking on this scissors like icon, and I can drag it as well to this far. So this place will be displaying camera 1. I would like to bring now in camera 3, so I just bring it in here like so, dragging it in here. And yeah, it's actually a way of trying to find out which part do you want to be displayed at what time. And you just cut the other parts to, you can leave the track 1 always there on because they will just be hidden by any clip above it. Now you can give it actually a nice smooth transition. So you can add some basic transitions, for instance, like fades if needed. So just right click like so and add a transition in here. But mostly if you have a nice quick cut, you don't have to use the transitions, but it's awesome to use it anyway. So now I have another method. The second method I'm going to show you is an automatic multi-camera tool. And what you just need to do, you just need to do the same way we did with the manual way. Make sure that your tracks are piled together like this. They're just piled above each other. Track 1, track 2, track 3. Once you have them ordered nicely, just select all of them like this by using control clicking. But now, what you now need to do is to just right click while inside here. And you have all these options. You have one option named Create Multi-Camera Clip, which is a new one. It will automatically align them according to audio syncing or video caps. You have actually a preview here on the left side. What you can do is to just pick on the one you want to be displayed first while playing. So play the video and click between angles. Angles live, it plays here. CapCut will automatically cut and record those switches for you. So number 1, number 2, number 3. It's actually like directing your edit in real life, which is actually awesome. And you can fine tune them by, let's say you just clicked erroneously first here. You can just drag it by placing your playhead in between the two transitions and just drag it like this. And you can adjust where the cuts happen. You can even change even the camera views as well, and even undo any switch. It's flexible and great for fast, high quality edits. And yeah, Once you are done, change anything. You can add some sound, maybe background sound, and you will be done successful. So it's very easy. And thanks to CapCut for adding this new feature. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel.